What up, YouTube? Today I'm working on this lovely build of mine. Got a few upgrades I need to do. For today I'm gonna be doing the alternator relocator kit. Been having a big issue with this one particular bolt right here, always breaking. If you have a Kswap and you've ran this setup before, you know exactly what I mean, or maybe you don't. I've tried everything. I've ran the belt a little loose, a little tighter, Loctite the bolt. I've done it all, and I'm giving up on it. I am going with this system now. I'll show you guys real quick. Gonna be running this system. I believe this is their newest setup. I'm not 100% sure, but I know a friend of mine has some issues with it as well, with something about the spacing, that one spacer right there. But wish me luck. Wish me luck. So now with a longer of a bolt, I'm gonna try again. Might have to cut the bolt down a little bit, but we'll see what happens. In the meantime, I'll put the camera on the tripod and get to it. It's a nice little kit. That's the top half. Disconnect the alternator over here and that 10. That's what I was talking about. A broken bolt. No, I missed the angle too, taking out the alternator. Womp. Where is it? Right there. I wonder if it'll come right out. If I'm gonna have to weld it. Although I don't use it. Oh, it's loose. Oh, look, it's loose. I got lucky. Yeah! Alright. After some struggle, figured out the belt I got is too small. And the pulley on the alternator belongs to this kit. One of my boys had the factory pulley for a K series, so I'll be taking the alternator back out. I mean, not hardware store, going to the parts stores for a slightly bigger belt. Got a part number online. I'll go from there. This is the pulley right here that belongs to this kit. Like I said earlier, I sold the whole kit and that belongs to it. Good thing paid attention to that. That would have been a shit move on me. Just to make things more complicated, I'm gonna have to helicoil this fucking bolt. Well, not the bolt, helicoil the water pump housing. Sick. Oh no. I'll make sure I put it kind of like in there a little bit, not so much on the edge. Fun times. Let me give you guys a view of what that's looking like. I don't know if you can see it. Maybe you can see it, maybe you can't. It's alright. Always make sure you break the little tab. Look at that. That fit there very well. I didn't think finding one of these bolts was going to be such a pain in the ass, honestly. With the stockpile of bolts I have, I thought I would have opened my drawer and had it right there. That's it. In its factory location. Wow! Nice. Now all I'm really missing is the serpentine belt that I have to go to the parts store for. But lower this a little bit. Right there. Put that down. I gotta find a way to. I gotta pull the motor forward. Maybe if I lower it a little bit, it'll change it. I hate Allen bolts. I will not be using these. I also don't like aftermarket bolts, but better than Allen. Once that wrench, must have. Must have. That's it. Next thing I'll be doing is a harness for my fuel pressure sensor, oil pressure sensor, and front speed sensor. Still need to finish up some of the interior touches and wiring my wideband. Let me know what you guys think of that cluster I made though. Some touches of carbon fiber down here. It's looking alright. Alright. Just went to a couple parts stores to look for this fucking belt. She was a pain in the ass. Part number right here for it. You guys tell me. Think that's too tight? Or do you think that's just enough? I think it looks pretty good. I'll be doing the wideband and making the line for my nitrous purge system. I already got it all installed. I just need to make a bracket to mount it. You see it. And then I'm thinking of doing dual exit purge. What do you guys think? Let me know. Let me know. I'm trying to keep this project going. Race season's coming up in a few. Trying to remain busy. I still got a lot going on. Still got a lot to do. But until next time.